Welcome to my channel. I've got a little bit of a new format going on, so please let me know if you like it in the comments down below. First of all, please like and subscribe. You probably don't think it means much, but it really helps the channel grow, so I'd really appreciate it if you could just click that subscribe button. So today's video is a dollar store / Poundland photography challenge. The first time I saw this, I've gone back and had a bit of a research. I think Mango Street were the first people to do it with Jessica Kobesi. I'll put a link down below to the video there. A couple of people have done it. I've done it a bit of a twist because I did it on my own. I wasn't with any other photographers. It wasn't like a competition, and I did it as self-portraits. And I wanted just to create 3 different looks rather than just get some props and shoot throughs and things like that. So it's a little bit different. It's my take on the Poundland and dollar store challenge. So I've filmed some behind the scenes, and I'll show you what props I bought from Poundland and how much they cost. I think the entire 3 looks cost about £16, which is really good, and it just goes to show that you don't need expensive props to take some cool photos. In this video, I take you with me through Poundland. I show you my setup so you can see behind the scenes, and I'll show you the before and after images. If anyone's interested, I'll release the speed edits separately and just dot those in between my other videos. So first I went to Poundland. I wasn't 100% sure what I was looking for, other than I wanted to create this first photograph which had sort of a pink light, and I wasn't sure what I was going to be able to find that would give me that look. But I found this little basket, I think, to put whatever in. I've used it now for cleaning products, and I wanted to shoot through that to get a pink look because I don't have fancy lighting or gels or anything like that. Also for this look, I used some little fairy lights that I wanted to wrap around my hand. I almost wanted originally to make like a glowing ball, but that didn't quite work out, so I just wrapped them around my hand, and I found a cool pair of sunglasses, and that completed that look. For the second look, I found this gold dress, and I just thought, well, for £5, that's great. If I only use it for this shoot, that's fine, and I can always use the fabric and repurpose it later on. I wanted some statement earrings to go with it, and because Poundland now has a Pep & Co section, they do sell some clothes and accessories as well. So I found these cool tassel earrings which are quite in at the moment. And then, like the picture on the cover, the girl has got like a gold headband on, but the headband, I just thought the fabric looked quite cheap and nasty, although the dress is quite cheap and nasty. So I thought I'll just see what else I could use, and I found a pack of 2 headbands. One was gold and one was black. So I used the gold metal headband just to make it look a little bit more expensive than what it actually was. The backdrop for this image is just some rose gold sequin fabric that was actually from my friend's wedding, and I think it makes a great backdrop. For the last image, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and I found these little twigs, and I thought I'll make a twig crown. So I used the black hairband from the 2-pack. I bought some over the top eyelashes, false eyelashes, and I thought I wanted to make sort of an icy look. And then I found this, I think it's like to cover your tomatoes with or something, and I just tore that up and then made like a ruff with that. And so that was the final look. that just goes to show that you don't need expensive props to make some cool photographs. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like me to do any other photography challenges, please put a link in the comments down below. I'd love to do more, especially if I can do them on my own and change them into self-portraits. That would be really cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!